In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the dashcam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safe. Let's go! The driver was going home when suddenly there was a cop chase and also a crazy big crash in front of him. All of a sudden. Young drivers were recklessly racing, and the driver lost control. Doing all of this is most times not worth it at all.
Yo, you got that on camera?
Yes.
No way.
No fucking way.
The good thing is that the airbags worked, and nobody was hurt.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This car driver just witnessed somebody run a red light and crash into another car.
Oh.
The question we all probably have is, why? What was the reason? Because that was very, very unsafe for the driver and the other people involved. The driver was probably going home late and someone was driving on the wrong side of the road. What could have possibly happened for this situation? Because this is something you are not going to see every day. A small truck driver doesn't care for his life or the people around him. There was honestly no need for that, and I know we all feel the same about it. Another bigger truck driver is risking the lives of many other people. The truck is literally too big for this type of behavior and movement. So this driver got rear-ended in a very horrible way.
Now it's fucking apartments. Damn! Holy!
What do you think happened? Maybe the other driver was distracted?
Damn! Holy!
The driver here looked like they lost control or maybe even fell asleep. What do you think happened here? Because this isn't something normal, right? What it looks like to me in this clip is that the truck driver here hit some type of bird or animal.
Boy.
Don't you agree that the most random stuff can always be seen on the highways? The Honda coming from the other lane crashed into the car going straight just because he couldn't see.
Very different, but it's amazing.
Really?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I miss home so much.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Call an
Yeah,
ambulance.
I'm gonna call.
Yeah. Should we drive off the road or stay?
Well, though it's a red light. Here, hold on. I'm gonna call real fast.
I honestly think this all happened just because he could not see.
Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah.
In this clip, this driver nearly misses an accident because the other driver tried to brake check him. People who brake check others are just pure evil most of the time and usually have no reason behind it. The truck driver missed his exit, but that didn't stop him from doing madness just to get to his destination, almost losing control. good thing is nobody was hurt and everybody returned to driving safely. This Infiniti Q50 decided that it was going to run a red light in very heavy traffic, and in a very stupidly unique way. The small red car made the craziest and most illegal turn you will probably ever see.
That doesn't mean the outlaw isn't thinking about his next move. He forms a new gang, and starting in early 1878, they begin robbing stagecoaches and trains in the vicinity of Dallas. Now, Sam's really making the Texas Rangers and state agencies look bad.
Honestly, doing crazy moves and stunts like these is really not worth your life. We all really have to be careful. The driver of the Nissan Sentra seemed to be very distracted, resulting in crashing into the car in front of it. Please, please, please make sure you always stay vigilant when driving and teach friends and family to do the same. That would be the end of this video.